Well, hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam, thanks for hanging out with me again today. And today is the day. I've been waiting for this day for a year and a half now. And you'll see why in a second. But there's finally the right conditions to go out and have some fun. Yeah, I've been waiting a year and a half for snow to show up so I could take this guy out. So when I bought this was in the beginning of the summer, midsummer, year and a half ago. They had marked them down, put them on sale. Obviously in the summer, these don't move very fast. So I believe I got this from Maine. They just had an excess stock, I guess, wanted to clear out some inventory, put these on special. I think I got it for like 30 bucks off, 40 bucks off, something. It was a pretty good sale. I bought it thinking, okay, this winter, be able to get out there and have some fun with it. And we didn't get any snow at all. And then this winter, be like, okay, we'll get out there and have some fun with it. And so far, all we've gotten is rain. Finally, we got enough snow to get out there and play. It's not a lot, and it's been melting off a little bit throughout the day, but unfortunately had to work today. So I came down right after work. We're going to get this guy out of the box, get it ready to go, and I'm going to head out there real quick before it starts getting dark so I can actually go out and play in the snow. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of comments, oh, you can drive it in dirt, you can drive it on this. I know. When I bought it, it was in my head that this needed to go in the snow first. So it's been a long time coming. So I'm gonna get it out of the box, see what we need to do, and then get outside and start playing. So let's see what is actually in the box. Okay, so out of the box, what do you get? Get your instructions. This one actually comes with a USB charger, and they do include a 2200 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery pack for it with the Dean's or T-plug on there. So I didn't even realize that was actually in the box. Probably would have taken that out by now if I'd known or paid attention. You get obviously the Blizzard 2.0 and then a very nice feeling radio. Controls feel very nice and smooth and everything. You have a whole lot of reverse on here. You got channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's a mix switch on here, so you can switch between forward and reverse on all your channels. And then evidently there's a mix. Get your battery voltage up here, so green is high, orange is medium, red's low. And of course you have your adjustments, and it also has a trainer port, so I'm assuming they probably multitask this radio for a few different things. Let's see, yeah, 4 AA's on that. And then we have the Blizzard. Damn, this stuff's sticky. Yeah, I had to mute that. That was an awful lot of sticky, horrible noise. So let's see. We've got, what, 2 body pins? Seems like it should have more. Of course, I'm going to do the right thing and not look at the instructions. Yep, just 2 body clips right there in the bed is all that holds the body on. And then you have your 2 small, like 380 size motors, not sure. A very dry transmission section. So we may actually put some little bit of lube on there. You have your servo to raise and lower your blade. Ooh, it's a little struggly there on the raise. But I guess, you know, worst comes to worst, we'll put a 35 kg in here. Plastic tracks. Now I know a lot of people have said that the metal track upgrade is a great thing for this, but the metal track upgrade for this is almost as much, if not more, than I spent on this. So again, I'm only gonna run it in snow, so it should be fine. We'll see. Battery slides right down in here underneath the Velcro straps, plugs in. You have a long power switch. Power lead goes into your switch. Big rocker switch is accessible on the back, and then all that goes into the sealed battery compartment and, you know, radio compartment. And yeah, I don't necessarily think sealed, covered is a better word. But again, I don't think there's going to be a big problem with stuff getting in there. The body covers up everything. It should kind of stay out, and if it does get in there, it's just going to stay down the bottom where the battery is. I'm just going to, you know, wrap this up, and we're going to go out there and run. Okay, so I just came back in from running the Blizzard. It was a blast. It was not easy at all. Dealing with the, tank directions, both forward, both back, and then doing the blade, you have to do your right stick left and right to raise and lower the blade. Now, when I first got out there, the blade was running really low and often dragging and hitting and digging in. So what I did is just put in some trim and raise the blade up, and it would still go all the way down, no problem. I don't know what the footage looks like, so it may be short, it may be long. Regardless, I've decided to go ahead and take out the gray Clod Buster. And run this around and play in the snow a little bit. A couple years ago, I took the black one out and had a blast with it, so we're going to take the gray one out and have some fun. This should be a little bit more exciting. Now, I don't know, again, how well I'm going to be able to capture the footage. I'm wearing the GoPro on the hat and kind of just putting one down on the ground. So we're going to do our best, and hope you guys enjoy it.